In Composer Pro, search for Universal Dashboard Driver and add it to your room. To set up Driver, you need to enable editing. Now modify Navigator settings and make Universal Dashboard visible. Let's get started. To add a variable panel, locate the plus button, located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select the variable panel. Now let's customize it. Click the settings icon to open the configuration panel. Here, you can set the variable panel title. Next, let's add variables to the panel. Click the Add New Variable button. Input the variable name, unit, and corresponding icon. Keep in mind, you can plot up to 4 different variables on a single panel to compare and analyze multiple data points at once. Once you've added your variables, click the Save icon to apply the changes. To connect variables, switch to the Composer, Actions, and click on Link Variable button. Select the dashboard variable and the linked variable from the drop-down menus. For this example, we'll link the Tempest WeatherFlow air temperature, relative air humidity, wind gust, and air pressure variables. To see which variables are currently associated with Universal Dashboard, or to change these associations, navigate to the Connections tab. Here, you can unlink variables or reassign them to a different driver binding. Experiment with different variables, icon types, or add more panels to visualize your data effectively. Now initial setup is done and Driver is working. When you are done with adding and customizing widgets, remember that you need to set Editing Enabled to False. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact us at support@hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help you every step of the way.